In this class, we're going to learn how to find the derivative of a parametric equation. Let's consider the question on the screen. Given that y equals to cos 2t and s equals to sin t, find the y, the x. Okay? We are given that y equals to cos 2t, y equals to cos 2t, and x equals to sin t. We are asked to find the y over the x. How do we find the y the x? Don't forget, in our previous class, I've already told you that in an attempt to help us to differentiate a parametric equation, you differentiate the two equations that you are given with respect to the variable. You understand? Now, the variable here is t. You understand? The variable connecting both y and x is what? Is t. Because t can be found in this equation as well. T can be found in the second equation. Okay? So now, let us proceed. To differentiate this function, we proceed as follows. Let us first find the derivative of y with respect to t. So here I'm going to have y equals to cos 2t dy all over dt is equals to, now please pay attention, how do you differentiate cos 2t? Which rule are you going to engage? Which rule are you going to use to differentiate cos 2t? Okay, if you are part of our previous class, you shouldn't find this hard at all, because this function is a function of a function. You understand? So we're going to use the chain rule to differentiate cos 2t. And if you differentiate cos 2t, you're going to have minus 2 sin 2t, minus 2 sin 2t. If you don't know how I got this, all you have to do is that just visit the playlist on this channel. Visit this playlist, chain rule. You understand? There is a particular playlist that contains how to differentiate a function using the chain rule formula. You can just visit that playlist to watch how to find the derivative of a function that looks like this. Okay, so that is why I said you shouldn't miss any class. Okay, don't miss any class, so that by the time we progress, you are not going to be left behind. Now we have x equals to sin t, x equals to sin t. Now dx all over dt is equals to, if you differentiate sin t, you're going to get cos t. You understand? So dx dt is equals to cos t. Now, having find the derivative of both functions with respect to t, the next step is that you have to remember, according to parametric, the derivative of a parametric function, dy over dx is equals to dy all over dt multiplied by dt all over dx, where dt dx is equals to 1 all over dx all over dt. You understand? Okay, the inverse of dx over dt will give us dt dx. So here we can say dy all over dt, dy over dx, sorry, dy all over dx is equals to dy dt. Dy dt is what? Minus 2 sin 2t, minus 2 sin 2t multiplied by dt dx. dt dx is what? 1 over dx dt. And we know that dx dt is what? Cos t. So I'm going to have multiplied by 1 over cos t. Are you paying attention? Okay. Now, please, I want you to pay attention here. Dy, this is dy dx, okay? Dy all over dx is equals to, now pay attention. See, according to trig formula, there is a law in trigonometry. There is a particular topic known as trigonometric identity. You understand? The trigonometric identity is just, it shows the relationship that exists between how we manipulate all these sine cos to get a more simplified and advanced trig function. You understand? It's just like an identity that is related, and this identity has been proven. You understand what I'm saying? So there is an identity that said sin 2x is what? 2 sin x cos x. Okay, now the reason why I remind you of this is because I'm going to use it here. Okay, now if sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x, that means that sin 2t is equivalent to 2 sin t cos t. Okay, so in that case, please pay attention. In that case, I'm going to have minus 2 sin 2t all over cos t. Okay, now all over cos t. So dy all over dx is equals to, now I'm going to replace this sin 2t by 2 sin t cos t. So I'm going to have minus 2 sin t, Please pay attention. See, this minus 2 is what I wrote here. Sine 2t will be multiplied by 2 sine t cos t. What I did was that I replaced sine 2t with 2 sine t cos t all over cos t, okay? Hence, I'm going to have dy all over dx is equals to minus 4 sine t cos t all over cos t, okay? Dy all over dx is equals to, now, you know that this cos t can eliminate this cos t, so I'm going to have minus 4 sine t, which is the final answer. Do you understand how I got that? If you didn't understand, listen to the explanation again, okay? If you have any question as regarding this question that we solved on the board, let me know in the comment section, okay? So, see you in the next class. But before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, okay? See you in the next class.